Each year, air pollution from animal farming is linked to 12,000 deaths. Industrial livestock operations release pollutants like particles of manure, harmful bacteria, and toxic gases like hydrogen sulfide. The pollution wafts into the air and can travel for several miles, reaching people's homes, and could harm their health if they breathe it in. Now, new research has found that air pollution from factory farms could also lead to outbreaks of food poisoning, which in some cases could have deadly consequences. A new study by scientists at the Food and Drug Administration found a dangerous strain of E. coli bacteria in air samples around a cattle feedlot in Arizona. The feedlot is also located next to a number of lettuce fields, and these particular fields were pinpointed as the source of one of the largest ever E. coli outbreaks in 2018 that killed 5 people and put 96 others in hospital. The researchers wondered if the toxic bacteria on the lettuce came from the nearby feedlot. But under current regulations, FDA officials and other public agencies can't enter a feedlot or other factory farm to investigate a source of foodborne illness. So here's what the researchers did. They collected soil samples from cattle pens at the Desert Research and Extension Center in Holtville, California, and found that this California feedlot soil contained E. coli bacteria. These bacteria live happily in the guts of cattle until they're shed in their feces without causing harm to the cows themselves. The scientists also collected air samples from 22 locations around the Arizona feedlot, and these samples revealed a few things. In addition to the genetic material from the cows, their feces and soil particles, the researchers detected the presence of E. coli and a higher proportion of the types of bacteria found in feedlot soil. Based on their testing, the researchers concluded that toxic bacteria from cattle feedlots can travel in air to nearby fields and possibly contaminate crops like lettuce or other leafy greens. Regulations that prevent FDA and other officials from entering feedlots are still on the books, even though a bill has been introduced at least 3 times in Congress to address the problem. First in 2019 and most recently in 2025. The study was published in the journal Science of the Total Environment, and its researchers hope it will inform future investigations of food poisoning outbreaks and possibly help to hold to account those responsible. The findings could help guide decisions about where to grow crops and what safety measures, like trees as barriers, could help prevent the airborne spread of pathogens from factory farms.